At 37 degrees north latitude, the timeless Yellow River, surging with primordial force, joins the Bohai Sea, creating the magnificent Yellow River Delta. Home to one of the world's most important temperate wetland ecosystems, the Delta acts like an international airport for millions of migratory birds. Over 300 species coexist here, dancing to nature's song. From the nimble parrotbill to the soaring large raptors, from a host of intertidal creatures to the vibrant life of the huge mudflats. The tides sculpt wonders. The seasons change in rhythmic succession. New life emerges amongst the reeds, while life and death struggles unfold upon the mudflats. It is a battleground for survival and an epic tale of migration. Life thrives in balance as nature endures and evolves. The Yellow River Delta, inscribing a timeless legend of the Orient, carving out a vast and vibrant land at the river's end.